everyone, Morgan here. I was just making this meal and I didn't really even, it wasn't even crossing my mind that this is like the perfect food storage prepper meal and I wanted to share. All right, so this is a broccoli rice, very cheesy. You don't even have to put in the cheese though. Let me put the lid on. So I'm putting all the ingredients here on the screen. Essentially, it's just rice and you could use pasta as well. It's broccoli. You can use freeze-dried or dehydrated broccoli or even frozen broccoli. I'm using frozen broccoli here. And it's also, you're using milk, which you can use powdered milk, of course, just rehydrate powdered milk. And then it's just a little bit of flour, a little bit of butter. You can use powdered butter. There's also chicken stock and some spices, garlic, let's see, what else did I do? Oregano, onion powder, just regular spices. Now you're just letting it cook. It takes like 15 minutes total to make this. It's a one pot meal, so easy. This is like a fresh homemade version of what you might find in a lot of freeze-dried meals. So it's very familiar, at least to me. You could also add chicken to this if you wanted, or even Spam if you wanted to. You could add almost anything to this to add a little bit more protein if you so choose. Easy. I will put the exact recipe down below in the description, but I just wanted to share this really quick because it's such a quick, easy one pot meal that's going to be satisfying, and you could change up in different ways. You can add, more vegetables if you want. Now this recipe is going to call for cheese, but if you don't have cheese, you can freeze shredded cheese, by the way. But if you don't have cheese, then you can just omit the cheese and it'll still be fantastically delicious after this. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you later, bye. Oh my gosh, I mean, you honestly don't even need the cheese. Look how amazing this is gonna be. You really do not even need the cheese. Ooh, so good.